We don't actually have a link to our website, but we make up for that by having more websites than most people do. We've got 2 candidates that we're choosing between, and we thought we would finish off by showing you just what they look like. So this is the landing page of the first candidate, and here's the landing page of the second candidate. We want as many happy children as we can in the picture, but it's hard without the finances to do a photo shoot to get exactly what we want. Now, the content of these 2 web pages is the same. If you go down a little bit, you'll see where we list all the good points and advantages of using Let the Games Begin software. And below that, we have a table that explains our fee structure and what benefits come with each level of purchase. And then finally, we have a little walkthrough of how you make a game, or as close as we can come, on a page with no video to showing people how it's done. So that's our website, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thanks.